Let's create a help center in minutes using Synced.so. Once you have signed up, get your help center up and running in minutes. Step 1 is to duplicate our Notion template. Be sure that you are logged into Notion. Click on Duplicate to create a copy of the template. Choose the workspace on Notion where you'd be maintaining the Help Center content. Next step is to publish it. Click Share and hit the Publish button. And finally, copy this link. This is to be pasted back. Paste the link here. And then hit the Next button. The Help Center is now connected to your Notion. You can point your own custom domain later. Start by giving a name to the subdomain where the Help Center will be initially hosted on. And hit Create Help Center button. Now that the main part is done, we can brand the Help Center from here or later from Settings. We can change logo, navigation links in header and footer, etc. now or later in Settings. Let's go to the dashboard now. Click the Generate Your Help Center button to publish it. This is the dashboard. We'll explore it later. For now, let's visit our Help Center. This is the home page of your Help Center, showing the main categories, navbar, and featured articles. Click on a category to see all the articles within. These are all the articles within the category. Click on one to view it. At the end of each article, there's a section to gather feedback. Keep your Help Center always in sync with Notion content. The dashboard shows the state of any article that is added, deleted, or edited on Notion. The content will be synced automatically every 24 hours, but you can always manually re-sync it at any time by clicking Regenerate All Pages and confirming it. This process takes some time, depending upon the size of your Help Center. See how to match your brand and customize the settings. Go to the settings to customize every aspect of your Help Center. Add your own custom domain. And add the CNAME and verification entries in DNS to run it on your domain with SSL. Make the Help Center private by protecting it with a password. Only the people who know the password would be able to access it. Add any custom JavaScript that you may want to add. We can add multiple script tags. Let's check out all the options we have under Design to match with your brand. Change the brand color, logo, navigation links in header and footer from here. You get best-in-class SEO pre-configured. Add the title, description, OG image, and favicon. And finally, decide if you want to all Google to index your site. You will get a sitemap, which is always up to date. You can embed the Help Center as a widget on any site. To change the icon, click and pick a different one. And change the color to match your website. Copy the script tags and paste them wherever you want to embed it, as per the platform of that site. All text and the language of the text is customizable. Select Custom Language to manage the Help Center for different languages. Use these settings to replace any pre-made phrase in your Help Center. You can use this to add the language of your choice. Or you can use this to simply use alternate terms, like knowledge base instead of Help Center. You can also customize the emojis for feedback reactions. See how to manage content in Notion. The template has two databases, categories and articles. We can add an article within a category or a subcategory. Otherwise, it'll be grouped as uncategorized. Let's understand the category table structure. Let's create a new category and add a subcategory in it. Let's name our category My Account. To add a subcategory, click on this arrow and type in the name of the subcategory. Now that categories are made, head back to the main page of the template. Let's understand the articles table now. This is the article view we find most effective in terms of usability. If you create your own view, please remember that the order of articles within a category is always picked from the first view. If the category is not already visible, you need to add a group for the category. To add a new article to this category, let's click on the New button and give it a title, description, and add content. To show an article in the Help Center, make sure to publish it.